Understanding how to avoid AT&T internet cancellation fees requires knowing several key policy changes and considerations that can save you money. Since fall 2020, AT&T has moved away from requiring contracts for internet-only plans. This means if you signed up after this date, you likely won't face early termination fees. However, if you have a bundle plan with TV and internet or signed up before fall 2020, early termination fees may still apply. These can reach up to $360 but decrease each month you stay with AT&T. AT&T stopped prorating final bills in 2019, meaning you're responsible for the entire month's charge, regardless of when you cancel. To avoid extra charges, aim to cancel right before your next billing cycle. Only the account owner can cancel the service. You can cancel by calling 800-288-2020 or visiting an AT&T store. Have your account number and PIN ready when calling. Before canceling, it's worth trying to negotiate with AT&T customer service. They may offer discounts or promotions to keep you as a customer, potentially saving you money without needing to cancel. To cancel your AT&T internet service without fees, start by contacting AT&T directly. You have two main options for initiating the cancellation process. When you contact AT&T, you'll need to verify your identity by providing your account number and PIN. Have this information ready before making the call. Request a cancellation date before your next billing period to avoid being charged for an additional month. AT&T stopped prorating bills in 2019, so timing is crucial. The most critical step is returning all leased equipment within 21 days of termination. This includes your modem, Wi-Fi gateway, and any TV equipment. Failure to return equipment can result in non-return fees of around $150. AT&T provides a prepaid shipping label for returning equipment. You can ship it via FedEx or UPS, or drop it off at a FedEx office or UPS store. Some AT&T stores may also accept returns. Always keep your receipt as proof of return. This is crucial if any disputes arise. Also remember that wall-mounted equipment should not be removed or returned, and if you return equipment within 6 months of termination, any non-return fee may be refunded. Finally, double-check your final bill for any unexpected charges and confirm that your billing has completely stopped. Following these steps carefully will help you cancel your AT&T internet service without incurring unnecessary fees.